Ever wanted to grow your own apples but thought you needed a huge backyard and ice cold weather? Think again. Hi everyone, I am Swaroop and I am thrilled to kick off our brand new video series on how to grow low-chill apple plants in pots. In this series, we will cover everything from selecting the perfect low-chill varieties, ideal pot size, planting, repotting, watering, pruning and even pest management. Plus, I will share my experiences and findings to help you get the best harvest possible. So whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video will guide you through every step. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Let's get started. First of all, what are low-chill apples and why grow them in pots? Low-chill apples are a bunch of specific varieties that require fewer chill hours, basically less cold weather to set fruit. This trait makes them ideal for areas with mild winters and hot summers. Some popular low-chill varieties include Anna, Dorset Golden, Tropic Sweet and HRMN 99. Growing these apples in pots has many benefits. They are perfect for small gardens, patios or rooftop gardens. Most importantly, you can move the pots around to protect them from harsh weather or to optimize sunlight. The ideal time we can start planting bare root apples is late winter to early spring, when the plants are still dormant. Planting during dormancy reduces stress and gives them a head start. In January, I bought one bare root plant of each low-chill apple variety mentioned earlier in the video. All of them were grafted on M111 rootstock that is well known for drought tolerance and dwarf nature. Along with them, I also bought a July Alberta peach and a plum. At first, I soaked all the bare root plants in water for 2 to 3 hours, then planted them in 6-inch grow bags for better root development. In about 4 weeks from planting, they started to break out of dormancy. As the plants are grafted on dwarf rootstock, they will not grow as fast as apples normally do, but they will produce multiple healthy fruit beams. I will show them later on the video. In about 2 months, they are finally ready for repotting. I will repot them now into 10-inch earthen pots where they will thrive for at least a year. Before that, let's prepare potting mix. Apple plants need nutrient-rich, very well-draining potting mix. I prepare my own mix that contains 50% loam soil, 20% organic manure, 10% river sand, 10% small sand gravels and 10% rice husk to make it extra porous. If you can't gather all these items, you can go with a mix of 50% normal soil, 30% organic manure and 20% sand. I've used both these mixes, they were equally good. To repot apple plants, we should take extra care in drainage. First, cover the holes with broken pot chips and put a layer of sand. Then pour potting mix to a certain level and spread it evenly. Now measure the remaining depth with a plant ready to be potted up. Leave an inch or so from the top for watering and manure application. Now remove the grow bag, place the root ball at the center and fill the remaining space with potting mix. Gently settle the potting mix with a fork or a few taps to remove any air pockets around the root ball. Finally, drench the repotted plants until water comes out from the bottom. Keep the soil constantly moist but not waterlogged. Place the pots in a sunny area where they will receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Also, watch out for common pests like aphids and spider mites. These are pests that feed on plant sap and tender leaves. Treat them with neem oil or dislodge them with cold water sprays. So this is how we should take care of newly planted low-chill apple plants grown in pots. Remember, the key to success is providing the right conditions: well-draining soil, adequate sunlight and proper watering. In the next episode of this series, we will dive deeper into fertilization, pest and disease management and essential care tips. Don't forget to like this video and share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, stay fit and happy gardening.